Come test drive this 2013 Ford Expedition EL. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, skid plates, adjustable pedals, a trailer hitch, rear wipers, and power windows. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.